He heard you out. He heard you out, sir. He heard you out. Now you hear Kamal Farooqi out. 1 minute. Kamal Farooqi, do continue. Asif, I'll come to you after that. Yes, Kamal Farooqi.
And the other thing you raised about Mr. Bastanvi. Maulana Bastanvi, you raised the issue of Mr. Bastanvi also. Mr. Bastanvi was not sacked because he has said something about Modi. He has politicized Darul Uloom, which has no place
you are wrong. Farooqi Sahib, you are giving a wrong statement. No, untenable statement. Bastanvi was removed only due to he supported, he praised Gujarat.
Rakesh Sinha, when you were talking, I was not talking. I was not interrupting. This is very unfair on your part.
No,
very unfair on your part. You have already listened to me. No, I cannot shout on you. Why you have to talk? No,
Rakesh Sinha, let him complete. Rakesh Sinha, let him complete.
This is
you have no right to
Mr. Sinha, you had your turn. Let him complete.
I respect you a lot, but don't interfere.
Gentlemen, 1 minute. Let him complete. Okay, Farooq. Mr. Farooqi will speak. Others, please.
Why is not allowing me to complete?
Yes, Mr. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Mr. Farooqi. Go ahead, but briefly.
Allow me to complete.
Yes, please do briefly. Yes.
Nobody is allowed to politicize Darul Uloom Deoband. Third is just, he is trying to emotionalize the whole thing. I narrated you these two issues. The third is, he is using the name Mia, he is derogating, whether it's Mia Musharraf or anybody, I have nothing to do with Mia Musharraf. But when you use one of the most respected member of a political party, Ahmad Mia Patel, he is derogating. He just, and suddenly he has got this kind of love for Irfan Pathan. I am very happy. If there is
Asifa,
please leave me.
I will get Asifa to respond to you. Kamal Farooqi, Rakesh Sinha, 1 minute. I call a truce between the two of you. Asifa Khan will respond to that point. Asifa Khan, 1 minute. Mr. Sinha. Asifa Khan.
Promotion, I can hardly hear you.
Asifa Khan.
Let me go with my answer.
Go ahead. Asifa is responding to you, Kamal Farooqi.
Yeah, once and for all, let me give an answer on the skull cap. Modi ji didn't take the skull cap, but he took the chadar which had the kalma written on it, the La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. I think the skull cap is just symbolic, but the kalma is the most valuable kalma for us. So I think hats off to Modi ji for accepting the chadar. Number two, when you accuse of Irfan Pathan being accompanying Mr. Modi to Palanpur, which is compared to Bharuch, we are 38% Muslim voters. Wagra, we are 40% Muslim voters. And we are campaigning all on our own. Modi ji didn't bring Irfan Pathan here. We are in a larger majority in Bharuch district, the minority. So I think I rebut that statement that it is only to get the votes. Had that been the case, Irfan would have been brought here.
Asifa, can I ask you something?
Mr. Ranabaswamy holds the
Congress
and then the vote.
Asifa, Gaurang, let her complete.
Azharuddin, a Muslim cricketer, Raj Babbar, the Congress is trying to woo the Muslims of Bharuch and Wagra in the name of celebrities. Modi ji has not brought Irfan to Bharuch. We are going to vote tomorrow and we are fighting the elections on our own without any celebrity.
Okay, we are getting a slight, 1 second.
As far as Mr. Mukund
Miss Asifa Khan, just a point to you. There's a slight audio problem in receiving, there's a slight, we'll correct it in 30 seconds. I'll come back to you. Gaurang, let them complete their answers. And Siddharth Nath Singh wants to say something. Sure. You want to make your point before Siddharth comes in or after? I'll come to you anyway.
Please go ahead.
Go ahead. Siddharth, yes, go ahead. Siddharth, one question to you is,
Arnab, we are talking about this.
You see, you can't give tickets. 1 minute. Please, see, why the symbolism? You don't give tickets, one. Then 3 powerful Muslim organizations, Jamaat-e-Ulema-e-Hind, Jamaat-e-Islami-Hind, and the Milli Council have refused to join hands with Modi, right? So, Irfan Pathan, getting him, is it more like a trophy? Right? Getting Irfan Pathan in, getting even Asifa to join the party, is it more like a trophy? Siddharth.
Arnab, well, let me answer that. Let me answer.
Yes.
Arnab, I think this issue of it's been going on, and I've seen, unfortunately I couldn't join you for debates from Rajkot and other parts of Saurashtra, but I've seen your channel and many other channels debating on this, that tickets not been given to a Muslim. This should not be debated like this, because unfortunately the people of Gujarat are not looking at that this party is giving a ticket to a Muslim or a Parsi or a Vash or a Kori or anybody else. The people are looking those who can win the elections. And I'm sure, Arnab, with your political knowledge, and you have been anchoring for such a long time and looking at various political elections, it's the arithmetic of how you win the elections. And that is what it counts, and you give tickets on the basis of that. Now, I may counter the Congress and say that there are 10% Muslims in Gujarat, but out of 182, they should have given 10% of it. That is 18 Muslims a ticket. But unfortunately, they have not given. They have given only to the seven Muslims. But it is their decision.
Mukul
I
Sinha.
don't think we should be getting into
Mukul
this
Sinha,
argument.
Mukul Sinha and Gaura.
There are Muslims. There are Muslims which are joining BJP. There are Muslims who have voted for us in the municipal elections. Out of 240 corporation and panchayat elections, we won 203. Muslims have won on BJP tickets. These are the things which needs to be counted, and it's not just Asifa Khan or others, but we have Sufi saint Mehboob Ali who has praised Modi. There are others who have joined Modi, like Ilyas Pathan has come from Congress to in Saurashtra. So there are
5 minutes on this debate. 5 minutes on this debate. The challenge is coming to you from Mukul Sinha. Mukul Sinha, you see, the point is this: Modi getting or not getting an American visa, Modi not being recognized by the British government, which seems to be changing. Also, Modi not being recognized by the Muslim groups. Have they become the last cudgels of the anti-Modi group?
I don't think it has got anything to do with anti-Modi group. It's not because of the group that anything is happening. It is he who had set the ball rolling in 2002.
No.
If we are supporting the victims, it is only because he denied them justice. There is absolutely no other reason why there is a group that is supporting the minorities.
So why is Asifa? Why have people like Asifa joined the BJP? No, why have people like Asifa joined the BJP as an alternative to the Congress?
Well, it is for her to answer.
Not stop at 2000.
Let's come down to something broader.
Court is already monitoring everything. Why you are always going to?
Don't try to individualize.
Muslims are associating with BJP. Muslims are coming to the BJP. Let them come in large number in BJP. And BJP will give the tickets.
Mr. Sinha.
Nobody has any objection.
Yes, but why you are feeling pain? Why you are feeling pain? If Muslims are BJP, you want to make Muslims as a vote bank, a permanent vote bank.
One minute.
Enlightened Muslims are now realizing
you are the ones who are making them into a vote bank.
This is going to damage them.
I think if they can...
Mr. Faruqi, you are the ones who are making Muslims the vote bank in this country.
Gentlemen, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Well, let's not talk about Muslims being the vote bank, because when you don't give a single ticket and you talk about arithmetic, it is obvious that you have made a Hindu the vote bank.
Why you are deciding ticket? If they join the BJP, they are not in the BJP.
Mukul Sinha, you are getting a rebut from Rakesh Sinha. Yes, Rakesh Sinha up to Mukul Sinha now. Please go on.
He has this ideology.
Rakesh Sinha, make your point again from the beginning.
It is the program and ideology of an organization counts. If the program and ideology of the organization counts, if the ideology is acceptable, program is acceptable, then they will give the ticket.
Nobody says no. If you have a Hindutva and a Hindu Rashtra
you want to make appeasement is the policy.
Hear him. You ask the question, hear him.
The country is going to hell. Whole politics will be dependent on the appeasement. Politics of appeasement. The BJP is the only party which is opposing the policy of appeasement, politics of appeasement, and one should praise it.
What is the big
Come
deal?
to your politics. Why do you come to Congress's politics? Come to your politics. What is your politics and what is the politics of BJP? It is Hindutva.
Don't react.
If that is
BJP's politics is non-appeasement.
To the viewers tonight, I have a question. 1 minute.
Politics is non-appeasement. Congress politics is appeasement. That's the difference.
1 second. I'm putting the pictures up. I'm going to put the volume down. 1 second, gentlemen. Just let's put all our volumes down. The pictures are there of Irfan Pathan with Narendra Modi. I am putting a question here tonight, and I want our Newshour viewers to write back to me and tell me what they think. When Irfan Pathan shares the stage with Narendra Modi, is Irfan Pathan the citizen? Is Irfan Pathan the cricketer? Or is Irfan Pathan a Muslim sharing the stage with Narendra Modi? Who's giving it that spin? Is there a Siddharth, you are already answering out of turn. 1 minute. Siddharth.
You must raise another question.
I would like
Please raise another
one
question.
at a time.
Irfan Pathan, a believer in development.
Very serious issue. We are going to have votes tomorrow. We are going for elections tomorrow in Gujarat. We are in Gujarat.
Irfan Pathan believer in development of
and we are
Narendra Modi's model in Gujarat.
Where you are not letting me put my point.
Yes, Gaurang, go ahead. Go ahead, Gaurang.
Just let me put one. We need to see a larger picture of the politics. Mr. Narendra Modi is bringing Irfan Pathan knowing that there will be media and there will be people who will talk about this just before the election, and he wants to bring the Hindu-Muslim issue once again back to Gujarat just before the election. And that is why this has happened. Irfan Pathan has been put up as a trophy. You know, we have no issue.
How can Irfan Pathan bring an issue of communalism?
Anyone, any Muslim, any Hindu joining BJP, I have no issues.
How do you say Narendra Modi has brought? It is Irfan. You are questioning the wisdom of
he came on his own.
My whole
You are now unfair.
Now to Asifa. My question to Asifa is this.
I actually can't hear anything.
I am going to Asifa for a second. Asifa, please. Yeah. I lost the line with you. My question to you is, Asifa, if you can hear me.
Yeah.
Two things have happened today. One is Narendra Modi picks up this Sir Creek issue vis-a-vis Pakistan. There is no direct evidence there. Second, the symbolism of Irfan Pathan sharing the stage with him. Now, what was the need?
The Sir Creek issue.
What was the need? No, my question is, what was the need? What was the need to bring Irfan Pathan on a political stage? Surely Narendra Modi knows that by getting a cricketer on a political stage, the issue will get politicized, and therefore there will be a political debate around Irfan Pathan. Now, unless Narendra Modi deliberately wants to start this debate. You know, Asifa?
No.
Unless he wants to start this debate.
That's not the point.
It's not?
We take Irfan Pathan as a Gujarati first. Right? Irfan Pathan has all the right to join a political party or a political leader if he wishes to. If I find some political party good, okay, I have all the right to join it. And Irfan Pathan is a Gujarati. We should be proud of that. The Congress is bringing Azharuddin from Hyderabad and Raj Bappar from UP. Yeah, they are non-Gujaratis. Well, in the case of BJP, there is a Gujarati Muslim who is with Mr. Narendra Modi, and obviously for good reasons. He definitely has seen good things around.
Okay.
And that is why you are seeing that the Muslims are now joining Mr. Modi.
Well, I try to thank our participants on that debate today. My question goes out to our viewers. Has there been unnecessary politics on Irfan Pathan's presence at a political event with Narendra Modi? Tell me what you think.